Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, consider subscribing. This channel is mainly about hair, beauty, and fashion. In this video today, we will be breaking down 3 different parts. Part 1 is a whole 1 year hair review of this hair that I got from Amazon vendor Jessica Hair. Then we're going to talk about Amazon Prime Day. That's part 2, Amazon Prime Day, do's and don'ts. Part 3 is going to be my favorite vendors that I found so far to purchase from for Amazon, and that's hair related, whether it be actual wigs, hair, or hair products. So stay tuned. So part 1, this hair, I love it. Like, look at how it looks after a whole year. I do keep it in one place. I've worn it throughout the year. I don't wear it every day, but I do wear it throughout the year. It's my go-to wig if I don't have anything else, or if I just want to change up my style, go from long to short, whatever the case. I pretty much take care of it. I washed it previously. I washed it like 3 or 4 days ago before recording this video. And right now, the only products that I have in it is this Cantu Super Shine Hair Silk, this glossing spray, just on this section in the front because I combed out the curls and they weren't looking the same as this side, and I didn't want to come on looking crazy and y'all start coming at me or coming for me. So I put a little bit of this mousse, but to be honest, I don't like using it because it's the kind of mousse that makes your hair like super crunchy and stuff. I just don't like that. But yeah, I don't know. If you like it, then yeah, your hair won't move. It has definitely kept its luster. It's I would say a little bit less than when I first got it. The shine, you know, like I have to put those oil products or glossing products in it to get the shine back, which is what I did before coming on camera. And also it sheds a little bit, you know, as expected. It's a year old, but it does shed some. Now it's not a terrible amount, but it does shed a little bit. And then as far as tangling, the only tangling problem that I have is the same problem that I have on all of my wigs, which is in the back. I don't know why, but that is a problem spot for me and my wigs. But yes, that's the only tangling issue that I have. As far as everything else, no. So what else do you want to know about this wig? I mean, I love it, and it's been a whole year. Like, it actually lasted a year. How the company says it lasts 1 to 2 years. Like, yes, it did. And you know, I still got more to go. If you're interested in that video, by the way, I'll link it right there above. It's the original install video that you will see was a whole year ago. So for my part 2, the do's and don'ts that I recommend for Prime Day. First of all, Prime Day this year, 2019, is July 15th through 16th. It starts at 12 midnight on July 15th. Hopefully the website won't crash. If you want to go shopping that early, I'm sure a lot of people will probably be there at the same time for just in case something sell out or something. It's important to remember that Amazon Prime Day is for Amazon, okay? So with that being said, that means that Amazon is trying to sell their products. So with that being said, that means that the electronic products that you may be going to look for, maybe if you're looking for a Google product, definitely probably not going to be on sale. Or if you're looking for an Apple product, probably not going to be on sale. They want to sell their Amazon products, okay? The other thing with that is that if you're going to look at like a hair place or something like that, look now. We're getting into the do's and don'ts now. Look now, because there may be a preview of their sales that they'll have on Amazon Prime Day, but also I would like to check the prices that are today versus the prices that are on Amazon Prime Day, because you may go and see something and you look at the price and it's the original price today. On Amazon Prime Day, it may be labeled 50% off, but it might be the same price as what you looked at today, and you think you're getting a good deal because they put 50% off, but all they did was raise the price and then lowered it 50%. We all know retailers do that. So just be aware of that and protect yourself, because if you weren't gonna buy it and you're only buying it because you think you're getting this amazing deal, then it's probably really not worth it, because we gotta, you know, we gotta save our money and do what we gotta do, and you know. So anyways, just be aware of that. Part 3, my favorite vendors so far that I have found on Amazon: Jessica Hair, obviously, Joedir, and then as far as hair products, Pharmapacks and Herstyler. So those are my favorite vendors to purchase from on Amazon. You can check those out. I'll link them below for you. And that's about it that I have for you for this 1-year review and Amazon Prime Day. So if you have any other questions for me, go ahead and comment them below. Don't be afraid. I don't bite. I'm actually really nice. And yeah, like, you know, all the other stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you like this video. And I will see you guys in my next one.